Brett just called an emergency fridge meeting because someone's been stealing slices at midnight. Butter slides over looking guilty, while the milk cartons gossip in the corner about who's going sour first. The eggs are cracking jokes from their penthouse shelf, while cheese is having an identity crisis about being sharp or mild. Leftover pizza interrupts, claiming it's the real star of this fridge, but everyone knows it's getting tossed tomorrow. Meanwhile, the vegetables in the crisper drawer are planning their great escape before they turn into science experiments. The condiments on the door are placing bets on who survives the weekly fridge cleanout.